In this video we will look at how to install a Poly G Series Microsoft Teams Rooms, specifically the main compute appliance and the Poly GC8 touch controller component. Make sure you download the setup sheet from the G Series MTR support page and follow the instructions for the PC wall mounting kit, as well as the setup sheet for G10, G40, or G85T. Prior to the installation, you should have a device account ready for the Microsoft Teams Rooms. For details, please refer to the Microsoft Teams Rooms online documentation on the Microsoft website. To begin, first determine where you'd like to install the compute appliance and if the compute appliance will be mounted. In this example, the compute appliance will be wall-mounted. Holes have been drilled according to the instructions in the setup sheet and the mounting plate was attached to the wall before connecting the compute and power supply unit. Here we will put the mounting plate on a table instead to connect the compute and the cables for better visibility. Slide the Lenovo Think Smart Edition Tiny Compute appliance into the PC holder and attach the two thumb screws securely. Slide the power supply into the PSU holder. Attach the PSU to the mounting plate by inserting the top two screws into the two keyholes and sliding to the left to lock in place. Then attach the two thumb screws at the bottom of the PSU holder. Wrap the cable wrap around the power cable. Attach the compute to the mounting table by sliding the PC holder keyholes onto the four mounting screws. Connect the cables to the compute. All USB ports on the back panel are USB 3.1, Gen 1 or Gen 2, so you can connect USB devices to any of the USB ports. For the Poly GC8 touch controller, make sure you connect the Type A and the 10M fiber optic cable to the compute appliance and not the Type C. The Lenovo Compute appliance has two HDMI ports and one display port and supports up to two front-of-room displays. After you connect all the USB cables, network cable, PSU, and display cables, attach the cable retainers by inserting the two circular ends into the top of the keyhole slots and sliding them down to lock in place. Attach the cover to the wall plate by inserting the four bolts into the top of the four corner keyhole slots and sliding them down to lock in place. Next we will set up a Poly GC8 touch controller. Remove the safety screw with the Phillips No. 1 driver. Take out the screw and slide the panel up by pressing the rubber circles on each side. Remove the cable guard from the Poly GC8 using a flathead screwdriver. Connect the 10M fiber optic cable to the USB Type-C port. Connect the power supply to the power jack. Optionally connect an included HDMI to HDMI mini cable for PC content sharing to the HDMI mini port. Replace the cable guard in the Poly GC8. Then replace the bottom panel and tighten the screw. Position the Poly GC8 in the desired place. Confirm again all the cables are connected securely and you're ready to power on the compute appliance. Replace the cover to the wall plate. When the compute appliance power is on for the first time and you've finished Windows 10 out-of-box setup, the Microsoft Teams application setup screen will display. Enter the room account that was set up for the system. Make sure supported meeting mode is correctly configured. If needed, change the meeting and device setting, such as dual monitor setting. In the peripherals page, confirm the USB device that you connected is currently showing in the microphone and speaker setting. Lastly, when an administrator sets up the system for the first time, if the system is not domain joined, the local administrative account will be used by default. The default password for the MTR system is SFB. So Microsoft recommends the admin change the administrative account password as soon as possible. At this point, confirm that the system can register and that the USB video and audio are working fine. Now MTR installation is complete. Congratulations!